Yeah, I am. So it's just like an informal group of like entrepreneurs. I joined some local thing here in Boston, and I was just like, it's just an informal thing where we kind of like bounce ideas off of each other, and
That
we
helps. It helps you to
it
figure out
does. It
what you don't
does.
know, right?
Massively. Like one of the things I learned from this group is initially when I was starting off, I was just like, okay, everything is about keeping costs low. Let me just go for the cheapest in everything. If I'm going to hire a lawyer, I'm going to go for the cheapest lawyer. If I'm hiring a accountant, go for the cheapest. And then I realized that, oh my gosh, that's a horrible strategy because the cheaper they are, that means they're less experienced and they leave more loopholes open. And so to correct the mistakes that these, you know, somebody who is more low cost makes, I had to eventually hire somebody more expensive. And then I realized that you pay what you get for, like, and I think it's certain things it's better to pay more and get high quality service and have a proper thing in place instead of going with somebody cheap and then getting into all sorts of trouble with it.
Thanks for watching Mark Savant Media. Here we're going to help you create a better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Savant Media. Peace.